You may already be familiar with using your own labels to help you organize files the way you prefer. However, these labels are private to each user. When it comes to working across teams, those tagged files can't be shared simultaneously, making important files harder to find. Synology Drive's shared labels solve this problem by giving teams a unified way to tag, organize, and locate files across projects and folders. In this video, we'll show you how to enable shared labels and manage permissions in Synology Drive Admin Console, create and manage shared labels in Synology Drive Web Portal, and configure additional permission options available to administrators. Before you start, make sure your system meets the following version requirements. The Shared Labels feature requires advanced features to be activated first. If you haven't turned this on yet, open Synology Drive Admin Console, go to Advanced Features, and click Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If advanced features are already activated, open Synology Drive Admin Console, go to Settings, Shared Labels, click Manage Privilege, and click Assign Privileges. Here, you can allow non-admin users or groups permission to create their own shared labels. When you're done, click Apply. When a user with assigned privileges logs into Synology Drive Web Portal, they can create new shared labels directly in the web portal. Click the gear icon next to Shared Labels in the bottom left corner and click Create. Enter a label name and description. Next, you can choose how to handle the label when copying a file with an existing shared label applied. You can always copy the label, only copy the label when the user is allowed to apply it, or never copy the label. For this tutorial, we'll choose Only Copy Label when user can apply. This ensures that when the file is duplicated by users, the label does not need to be applied again. Select the label color and click Next. Normal users can invite other users to apply the label. Administrators have access to more permission options, which we'll cover in Topic 3. After confirming the settings, click Apply to create the shared label. With these settings, any copied file will carry over the shared label automatically. Users can also convert a personal label into a shared label for team use. Or reorder the labels based on importance. And when a project is finished, the shared label can be hidden or deleted. Administrators can also create shared labels directly in Synology Drive Admin Console. Go to Settings, Shared Labels, Create. Enter a label name, description, select a label copying rule, and color. Compared with normal users, administrators can configure more detailed permissions. For example, admins can decide whether shared labels are visible only to invited users or to all users. In this demo, we'll select Anyone with an account can view, so all internal users can see files tagged with shared labels all in one place. Once everything looks correct, click Apply to create the new shared label. When team members change roles or leave the project, you can also transfer ownership of existing shared labels. To do this, open Synology Drive Admin Console. Go to Settings, Shared Labels. Choose the label you want to transfer. Click Manage Privilege and select Transfer Ownership. Enter the new owner's account name. Then click OK. After signing into the web portal, the user will be able to see that they now own the label. Learn more about Synology Drive in our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.